Okay, so we're currently in Mongolia in the middle of absolutely nowhere. The sun's setting, it's beautiful. We're staying here tonight, we've got our beers, and this crazy guy, what have you been doing for the past sort of 20 minutes?
Collecting some firewood, but mostly camel dung. Yes, used for the fire. That will be used for the fire.
And he's collected it. He's collected it in the chair bag.
Yeah, the chair bag. Yeah, it'll be all right.
Honestly, this guy is the craziest American person I've ever met.